Hey there, it's JT, and welcome to my new course, Make Recruiters Come to You. I'm so excited to take you through the journey of understanding recruiters and the best way to get their attention and get them contacting you. You know, a lot of people don't realize that before I started work at DLA, I was in HR and recruiting for many years. And even once I launched the company over a decade ago, I've continued to work with recruiters and companies, including Fortune 500s, on their recruiting strategies. So I'm very familiar with what recruiters are looking for right now in this economy, as well as all the challenges that they face. And that's very important to you. And that's one of the things that you're going to learn in this process, because when you have that insider information about recruiters, you can use it to your advantage. So over these 3 weeks, I'm going to break it down for you. I'm going to give you tips, tricks, strategies, all the things that I teach people so that they can get the attention of recruiters at their bucket list companies. Now, what are bucket list companies? These are the companies that have your dream jobs, and it's really important that you learn how to isolate those and then build a plan around that. And that's one of the things that you're going to learn as part of this process. But more importantly, you're going to take control. You're going to feel power, because I think the number one reason that you develop a course like this is to help people feel a sense of control in their job search. So if you're one of those people that is tired of applying online into the big black hole of the applicant tracking system, the ATS, if you're tired of never hearing back, if you're feeling depressed and defeated, then this is the course for you, because I'm going to show you how to go around that online application process and really connect with the people that can help you land the dream job, and that would be those recruiters. So want to say I'm so excited that you're here. I can't wait to start working with you. And the most important thing that you can do while you go through this course is to keep an open mind. I know it's going to feel a little scary. I'm going to suggest some things and you're going to go, gosh, no one's ever told me to do that before, JT. Well, there's a good reason for that, because people don't know how this works. I do, and I need you to trust me, and I need you to try these new things, because once you see the results, you're going to be hooked, okay? All right, well, welcome to Make Recruiters Come to You. I can't wait to work with you, like I said, and I will see you in the next video.